Hi, I'm Maki. Many of you may speak in good Japanese language, but in some case, people may hate you if you use some rude Japanese without knowing. Today, Maki will show you 5 phrases sound rude, and I hope you to avoid saying and know how to say instead. Rude in Japanese language is shitsure. Shitsure. Rude thing is shitsure na koto. Shitsure na koto. If your Japanese language is not appropriate, people may think that you are rude. In Japanese, there is a term, joge kanke. Jo is up, ge is down, which kanke is relationship, meaning that the relationship between senior and junior. Senior can be your boss, your teacher, parents, even somebody older than you. Boss in Japanese language is joshi. 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 If someone more experienced than you, we could say him senpai. 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 Mean that senior. Beware of the wording you are saying to your senior. Otherwise, you may hear that, お前失礼だな. You are so rude. The first one Maki always hear is, 今暇ですか? 今暇ですか? In English is, are you free now? There seems to be no problem with these phrases, but actually, if you use this in your workplace, you will be in big trouble. Hima in English is free. You know, when you are in the workplace, everyone's supposed to be working and busy. If you ask someone, 今暇ですか? mean that you are nothing to do now, or I think you can do nothing in this moment. It could be really rude and impolite in Japanese company. People may think that I'm so busy for working, I don't have any time for you, and you are so rude. If you really want to ask someone for a favor, we could say, 今お時間よろしいでしょうか? 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 Or, お忙しいところすみません. 今お時間よろしいでしょうか? お忙しいところすみません. 今お時間よろしいでしょうか? お忙しいところすみません. 今お時間よろしいでしょうか? Mean that I understand you are busy, but could you please help me? I beg for your time. Much better, right? If there is senior staff who is your friends, you can also say, 先輩、すみません. 今ちょっといいですか? 先輩、すみません. 今ちょっといいですか? 先輩、すみません. 今ちょっといいですか? 上手ですね. This is a common phrase of compliment, but it is not suitable for compliments a senior. For example, Maki sensei は教えるのは上手ですね. Of course, I'm happy if you say that to me, but in this case, it sounds like judging and you are looking down on me. Another example, I am good at basketball. You could say to me, バスケが上手ですね. バスケが上手ですね. But if I am a basketball player, the situation will be different. As a basketball player, this is my job. This is my responsibility to play basketball well. If you say, 上手ですね to me, sound like you are playing better than me, you are my coach, or you are my senior. In this case, you should say, wow, すごいですね. Yeah, さすがですね. Wow, すごいですね. Yeah, さすがですね. If you want to ask people to do something, please don't use nasai. Nasai is kind of parental tones, which usually used by parents to kids and teacher to student. For example, if you call someone to eat, don't say 食べなさい. Please use 食べてください or more friendly 食べてください 食べて. If you want your恋人 come earlier, don't say 早く来なさい unless you want to ask for a fight. We could say よかったら早く来てください。よかったら早く来てください。or よかったら早く来て。よかったら早く来て。or 会いたいから早く来てほしいよ。会いたいから早く来てほしいよ。If you want to give something to people, you may say してあげる。あげる or してあげる also mean give, but sound like the people who give is senior, the people who receive is junior. It sounds rude if you say してあげる to your senior. For example, I give chocolate to teacher as gift. You may just say 先生にチョコレートをプレゼントします。先生にチョコレートをプレゼントします。先生にチョコレートをプレゼントします。Instead of 先生にチョコレートをプレゼントしてあげます。Thank you for watching. I hope this video could help you avoid rude Japanese and understand the culture of Japan. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share to your friends. 一緒に頑張りましょう. See you next lesson.